Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a handcuff for how long? Until 4:30 challenge. So we'll be handcuffed like this. We did 4:30 and by Ernestine's.
It's already 4:14. You guys should do it till 5.
That's what they're supposed to do it till.
Probably. Let's go. Ah! Jeez! Ow!
What happened?
I'm trying to open peanut butter. We need plates. I don't care.
You have to get your arm up in there and hold the bottom for him.
Yeah, get your arm up in there.
Plates.
Open it.
They can share a plate.
Ew.
And we're not allowed to help.
It's less dishes.
We're not allowed to help them with anything.
Except for getting the plate.
If you guys have to go to the bathroom, we unhandcuff. No, we unhandcuff you for that one.
it. One faces the other way.
Or we can unhandcuff them for that one.
And we can
That's
stop
just weird.
videoing.
Well, duh.
Okay.
Or we'll just stay
How
out
long
there.
does it take you to open peanut butter? It's peanut butter. Mad opening skills. Mad opening skills.
You guys make the best clean it up.
What?
You guys make the best clean it up.
No. Mess.
Say that.
We'll clean it up.
Dope. We got a knife for a reason. Ewy.
Don't kill the knife.
Ryan! Ew!
Ew. That whole jar.
Ew!
No. Where's the peanut butter on first? Oh.
No, you put the jelly on first, Ashton.
That's stupid.
And then you put the peanut butter on.
Okay, I have a question since this room is clouded. Can someone go get me? This is the only thing that you can help with. Getting the silverware, I need a spoon.
Oh, Lord.
Why?
We're allowed getting the stuff for you to put the stuff on. Like if you're making food, then we're allowed to get the plate or the silverware or stuff. But that's it.
Hold the bread.
That's all we're allowed to do.
This is so cringy.
This ought to be
Okay,
interesting.
I got this. I got it. You can stop holding the bread.
This ought to be interesting.
I am doing a really crappy job right now.
Yeah, you are. That sandwich is gonna be
Pick up the bread.
disgusting.
Like, pick it
Well,
up.
how is he supposed to? Like,
I made a mess. It's Jello.
go get a napkin.
You made a mess of jelly. Jello.
Ew.
What the heck? Why didn't you just eat it?
I did.
Yes.
I threw it in the thing.
I'm gonna eat that. Okay, put that on.
It's the same piece that
This
should
is
be.
good. This is mine. Is this sandwich?
No, it's not supposed to be like that. So you fold it. You fold it, you
Make sure your face in it.
And this is mine.
That's a messy mess. That's a
Yes,
messy
I
mess.
have to make yours.
Okay,
You gotta help him.
How
You
do
gotta
I do
help
it?
him. You guys gotta work together. You're handcuffed together.
So, I need the bread. Scoochie over here, bread. Okay.
Ryan, I don't
Jelly.
think the bread
Come on!
Me and you have to do this right after.
Yep.
Right after you guys make the sandwiches, me and her are doing it, handcuffed.
Oh. No, after.
I think we do a better job. I think we do a better job.
We haven't
Because,
made a mess yet.
We make it. It doesn't even look like a peanut butter jelly sandwich.
It looks like bread smashed on there. It's disgusting.
Hey, it doesn't matter what it looks like on the inside. As long as it's good.
We're gonna make ours now. Handcuffs.
We need your handcuffs, guys.
I don't know how to work.
Ryan, take this. Ryan, take this. Ryan, take this. Take this. Take this. Take this. Take this. Take this.
Hang on. There we go.
It's still going. Give me those. Take it off.
Okay.
I'm trying to eat my sandwich too. It's kind of hard.
Nope, you're above it.
I think you should do it.
Where'd they go?
They went upstairs probably.
This is going to be really interesting.
By the way, this is my little sister, Allison.
Ryan, you
Oh,
already
Lord.
know that.
And this
You need to
is
tighten this.
my brother's girlfriend.
Brother, what?
Sister. What?
I'm his sister.
Brother's girlfriend's sister. This is his brother. Her brother.
Alright, so we're gonna make peanut butter jelly sandwich. I'm not gonna eat it because I don't like it.
You won't.
I'll just help you right there.
I'll eat it.
I'll
Like
eat
so.
He'll eat it. Okay, I'm not sure how we're supposed to do this, but I'm just gonna start with the peanut butter. And I'm gonna put the jelly up here so we don't spill. I think we're gonna do
You're done video. Continue video take for me. Go over there and look at what they're doing.
I think we're gonna do a better job than they did.
Here, you hold it. I'll do this.
Okay. I think we're gonna do a better job because we're
Butter.
You got it.
Better job.
They're doing better than us.
Yeah, because we're actually working together. You guys are just like
We're
pulling
taking our
against each
time
other.
too.
You guys are pulling against each other.
Ooh, nice.
We're not.
So flat.
Spoon.
Very flat.
Okay, let me do this now.
Ugh.
The bread is not very long.
It's already been 6 minutes of
Dude,
recording.
you don't have to
So?
spend the dough.
That's how I
27.
spend mine. We got one done.
Done.
That's your sandwich,
Nice.
Alex.
Hey, no.
This is mine.
Give me a minute. We have to finish making them first. I think we are doing a much better job than you guys did.
Okay, and then we're gonna have you guys judge on the comments down below.
If you guys liked it, who do you think won? Girls or boys? I think we won, honestly.
There's like no comments.
We're probably gonna get literally
Get one.
0 comments for the boys.
Yeah, you guys shouldn't. I mean,
Yeah.
you did good, but it's not like.
Hey, it tastes good.
I mean, look at it. It's just beautiful.
It doesn't matter what it looks
Then
like.
what's that pink thing?
What pink thing?
That thing. That pink.
That's jelly.
That was on before you even put the jelly on.
That's just jelly.
Hold on.
Jelly, that
That's
was like
because you guys messed up the knife.
Oh.
Boom. We done. We done and we did better. Ryan's stealing it. Oh well, I don't like it.
I steal her sandwich. They rarely see us.
Okay, guys. I think the girls did better. Am I right? We
Oh,
were
my hands are
handcuffed
sticky.
still. I mean, you're gonna have to do this for me. Okay. I have to hold this.
Oh yeah. Record next.
There you go.
Okay, and so I think we did better, but if you think the boys did better, comment down below. Be sure to subscribe and give a big thumbs up. We'll see you all next time. Bye!
These are actually pretty good.